Hey, today I'm going to share with you how to make protein banana bread, which is healthy, delicious, and nutritious. We're going to start by getting a smaller bowl, and we're going to add in 2.5 cups of almond flour. This almond flour is high in protein, high in healthy fats and fiber. That's why we love this flour, absolutely. And then we're going to add in 1/2 cup of vanilla protein powder. You can use any protein powder you will love. This recipe will work with all of them. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon baking powder, so it bakes well, and of course 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, because we love xanthan gum. It makes the consistency of bread-like. And then we're going to use 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix all of these ingredients together and enjoy the flavors. Then we're going to get some coconut oil. We want to use 3/4 of a cup of coconut oil and just melt it in the microwave in increments of 30 seconds. Mix it. Make sure that you end up with 3/4 of a cup of melted coconut oil. I'm then going to transfer this coconut oil into a large empty bowl. This is where we're going to get all the action. Add in 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. It's just a healthier sugar, so use that and give it a good mix. We want our sugar to start melting inside our oil. The next thing I'm going to do is crack in the eggs one by one, and we're going to mix throughout just to make sure that it's all consistently smooth and nice. Once we have our wet ingredients all together, we're gonna want to get 3 small bananas or 2 large ones, and we're gonna want to just smash them nicely. I'm doing it with a fork. Use whatever method you want. You can even use a food processor. Just take your time, mash it up well, because it's quite important. And then I'm going to add in the bananas into the large bowl with all the wet ingredients and give it a very good stir. We want to stir it until it's smooth, but of course there's going to be bits of bananas, and that's absolutely fine. So the next step, we're going to add in the dry ingredients we mixed up before into the wet ones. So going to slowly add the ingredient and mix it throughout, and you want to mix it all the way, slowly adding the dry ingredients. Make sure that the dough is smooth and nice, and you're going to see that our dough is actually quite thick, and that's all right. If it's way too thick, you can always add a little bit more of coconut oil. It won't ruin the banana bread. For the final step, I'm just going to add in 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. I love poppy seeds. You can also add chocolate chips, whatever you prefer. And we're going to get our loaf pan, grease it well with oil. I'm using a silicone brush to do that. You can use your fingers, whatever you prefer. You can use olive oil, any vegetable oil, or butter, or even coconut oil. And then we're going to transfer the dough into the greased loaf pan, and I'm going to work it out and level it out. That's very important to make sure that our bread is nicely baked. And finally, we're going to pop this into the oven at 325 Fahrenheit degrees. After 15 minutes, we want to just check our banana bread with a toothpick, and once it's done, it's done. Slice it up and enjoy with whatever you want. It's absolutely delicious. It has around 10 grams of protein per slice, and it tastes awesome. It's one of our favorite healthy desserts and side dishes. Go to allnutritious.com for the full recipe and ingredients, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe. Bye bye.